Next year, Swiss will start gradually renewing its long-haul aircraft fleet with the brand new Boeing 777. Our new intercontinental twin jet is extremely reliable and incorporates state-of-the-art technology. With its advanced engines, the 777 uses much less fuel and emits less carbon dioxide than comparable aircraft. The new Swiss flagship has a range of up to 14,500 kilometers and can carry 340 passengers. Our Boeing 777 Swiss first cabin offers its occupants even more privacy. Each seat can be easily converted into a private suite, featuring a 32-inch video screen, the largest in the industry, adjustable electric blinds, and its own wardrobe. In the 777's Swiss business cabin, the seating has been specially arranged to provide maximum privacy and freedom of movement. The advanced seats can also be fully reclined into a 2-meter-long lie-flat bed for total passenger comfort. Swiss Economy on the 777 offers its passengers an even more enjoyable travel experience thanks to a large personal touchscreen and new seat cushion technology. A further key attraction for Swiss economy travelers is the new self-service kiosk with its wide selection of drinks and snacks. Thanks to their wireless internet access, passengers on all Swiss's new Boeing 777s will be able to surf the web on their own digital devices. So whether it's for communication, information, or simple entertainment, this attractive new feature will ensure that you're always connected aloft. Welcome aboard the new Swiss long-haul flagship, the Boeing 777.